You're welcome to my today's class. Today I'll be taking us on statistics and we'll be discussing measures of central tendency. We have three measures of central tendency. We have the mean, we have the mode, and we have the median. Today we are going to be looking at the mean, okay? And I'll be focusing on ungrouped data, how you can use mean to determine the central value of any given distribution. Let's pick it up with these examples. Okay, here I have these values and you are asked to find the mean of these values. Okay, this is how you can find the mean. You can have it as x bar. You have 1 over n summation x subscript I, and your I ranging from 1 to n. You can as well have it in this form, summation x subscript I, and your I ranges from 1 to n all over n. Either way, you're still right. And let's find the mean of the given values. Okay, I'm going to take the sum of these values. That's what this implies. And I have 96 plus 94 plus 92 plus 87 plus 81. We'll divide by the number of values we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values. So I'm dividing by 5. Okay, you take the sum of the numerator. Okay, if I add these values, I will have 450 divided by 5. Okay, 5 to itself is 1, cannot divide 4, so we take the first two digits and we have it 9, and then here we have 0, so it is 90. Therefore, our mean equals 90. So 90 is the central value of these values by mean. Okay, now let's take another example. When you have your value on a frequency table, when you have the values on a frequency table, how do you calculate the mean? Okay, number 2 example. So here I have my value, and here I have the frequency. Okay, let me take 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me take these as my values, and let's assume 1 occurred 15 times, 2, 22 times, 3, 8 times, and 4, 5 times. Okay, so to take the mean, to find the mean of this, okay, we take the sum of the product of the frequency and the value. Okay, remember our I ranging from 1 to n, and we'll divide by the sum of the frequencies. Okay, I also ranging from 1 to n. So here, if I take the product, I will have 1 multiplied by 15, which is its frequency, plus, remember, it is sum. Then here we have 2 multiplied by its frequency, which is 22. Next, we have 3 multiplied by 8, its frequency, plus 4 multiplied by 5, its frequency. All over, you divide by the sum of the frequencies. So here I have 15 plus 22 plus 8 plus 5. Okay, so let me open the bracket by multiplying. What I have in the bracket here will give me 15. Here will give me 44. Here will give me 24. And here will give me 20. Okay, I can add my denominator now. And I have a 50. Okay, so let's sum the numerator. We have 103 over 50. So if I divide, I will have a 2.06. Therefore, the mean of the distribution equals 2.06. So that is the value at the center if we calculate the measures of the central tendency using a mean. You can try some other examples. Drop your comments and questions. Thanks for listening.